Water Habitats by Raina Eisenstark. This is a non-fiction book with the essential question, what kinds of living things live in different places? Divided into 6 chapters. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Water All Around. Water is everywhere on our planet. Water flows through rivers, and waves of water travel over the surface of oceans. Lakes, streams, and ponds are brimming with water. Some water is salt water and some water is fresh water. Different kinds of animals and plants live in both kinds of water. Water is part of many different animal habitats or homes. Animals live in water or around water. Water is essential for life. See the ocean, a lake, a stream, and a pond. Chapter 2. Ocean Life. Ocean water has a lot of salt in it. Oceans are saltwater habitats. Oceans are the largest habitats on Earth. Fish, lobsters, and shrimp live in the ocean. Sea turtles and whales live in it too. The ocean is home to many kinds of sea life: coral reef, sea turtles, lobsters, lionfish, clownfish and sea anemones, jellyfish. Coral reefs are special saltwater habitats. They are found in warm, clear oceans. Coral reefs are made of many tiny animals that lock together in interesting shapes. Colorful fish and plants live in and around coral reefs. Chapter 3. Lake and Pond Habitats. Freshwater habitats have just a little salt. Lakes and ponds are freshwater habitats. Lakes are large and deep, and ponds are smaller. Many animals live in lakes and ponds. Insects and fish live there, as well as some amphibians, such as frogs. A wide variety of plants grow in ponds. Cattails grow well in the low water at the pond's edge. In the pictures, I see lily pads, a dragonfly, cattails, a frog, and a trout. Chapter 4. Life in Rivers and Streams. Rivers and streams are also freshwater habitats. Water in streams may come from rain or melting snow. Many streams can flow together to form a raging river. Some fish, such as trout, live in rivers and streams. Turtles and crocodiles also live in rivers. Many birds live near rivers and streams, and they like to eat the fish and insects they find there. In the pictures, I see a stream and a pond. I see turtles and a trout. Chapter 5. Wetlands. Marshes and swamps are 2 kinds of wetlands. Some have fresh water and others have salt water. Some can be a mix of the two. That doesn't stop animals and plants from living in marshes and swamps. Ducks and geese live in freshwater wetlands. Snakes live there too. Brown pelicans and some fish live in saltwater wetlands. Ocean water flows into these wetlands and sometimes mixes with fresh water from streams or rivers. Opossum come to visit wetlands and look for food. We see that's the opossum, brown pelicans, there's a snake, and that's a marsh. That's what marshland looks like. Chapter 6. Water Habitats. There are many kinds of water habitats. Some are saltwater and others are freshwater. Some water habitats are big and others are small. But one thing is always the same. Plants and animals love to call the water home.